our country and its people. I would request to please lead us with the pledge.
Stretch your arms forward.
My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its heritage. I should always try to be worthy of my parents, teachers, and others. ये positive thought remind us to stay positive, to share positivity. Today thought I would call my friend Ramcharan. Happy morning everyone. My name is Ramcharan. I study in grade 1 Koran. Thought. Entertainment is most important in our lives. Thank you. It news help us to learn something new every day. It is useful and knowledge for latest news headline. I would invite my friend Ritvik and Kaushik. I am Kaushik from grade 1 Koran. Stay tuned. Shepherd escaped unhurt from leopard attack in Nirmal. Sport news. Hockey, shooting, cricket, badminton. Dropped from 2026 Glasgow CWG. Thank you. Have a good day. I am Ritvik from grade 1 Koran. State news. International news. On the 16th, the RICS summit in Kazan. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Here is my friend Yashwant and Jainakshi will tell you amazing facts. Happy morning everyone. My name is Yashwant. I am from grade 1 Koran. Now I will say about trees. Trees are our best friends. Trees make our head. Trees give oxygen to breathe. Trees give fruits and vegetables. Have a good day. Happy morning everyone. My name is Jaina Gandhi. I am from grade 1 Coral. Science facts. Cats cannot take sweet. Heart pumps blood in our body. Thank you every day. GK question. Next to my friend Abhiranju will want to check your general knowledge. I am Abhimanyu from grade 1 Koran. Question for grade 1. How many days in a week? 7. And repeat the right answer. An answer is 7. Let us appreciate. activity. Now I would call to call upon all my classmates to ask grade 1 choral to do an activity. It comes from grade 1 choral. Smartphone is to make life easy.